Welcome to Silver Street Farm. We're just outside of the village of West Buckland, between the towns of Taunton and Wellington, and we're bringing to the market this Grade 2 listed property, first time to the market, we think in well over 100 years, so who knows when it will come up for sale again. Let's have a look around to see what you think. So the farmhouse itself has 4 double bedrooms and a large bathroom. We've got plenty of ground floor space, and as you can see, it's ready to be moved into, no ongoing chain. But the other attraction is the self-contained 1-bedroom annexe, which you can access by its own independent door, or there is still a connected door. So it really does give you the best of both worlds. If you want to have income by renting to a tenant, you can, or a family member that can come in and join you when they want to. So outside a Silver Street Farm, we've got manageable enclosed private gardens. We've also got plenty of parking and an arrangement of outbuildings, which just lend themselves to a variety of purposes, including the old cider barn. So if you'd like to come and have a look, give us a call, 01823 664 333.